All right, it's another day, folks, and it's more experimenting going on at my house. And I tell you, I've been playing with Rain-X bug remover. And yeah, you can put it in a spray bottle and use it just like a spray to clean your windshield. There I go, I'm gonna put some on my windshield right here and show you how it works. Okay, I'm gonna get a paper towel here, wipe it off. Okay. Get it nice and coated on the windshield here. Because it has a water repellent in it too. Rain-X bug remover has a water repellent. I was like, well, that's pretty cool. I could use that anywhere maybe, but first I'll show you, demonstrate how it works. Here's the water. Look at that sucker, just washes right off. Now the windshield that's not clean over here sticks. Doesn't stick here, it's just all coming off. Now, what's my point here? Well, it's a good point. I started using it on my showers and my mirrors and my house windows. But wait, I went on the internet and I said, wait a minute, these new house windows have like some kind of film on them that could be damaged by, you know, certain sprays and stuff. But they say you can use Windex on there. Well, Rain-X or any car wash solution is cheaper to put in a bottle, and it's actually safer than most of your glass cleaners out there or window cleaners. So it's a little bit dumbed down, but it has the bug remover. And I tell you what, it takes out watermarks and whatever else gets on glass and mirrors and windows, it takes it right off and they look beautiful. Let's check it out. Okay, we're gonna start off with this window right here above my door, my front door. This thing, if you see it right here, it's horrible and it constantly gets like this. I'm having to clean this thing like every month just to make it look clean. And it just drives me nuts. You can see the spots, whatever else gets on there. I'm gonna clean it with this Rain-X bug remover, and let's see what happens. Okay, just like the car, I'm just gonna spray it on. Real good. Give it a minute to sit on there and eat away on whatever is stuck on there, the bug remover, and then wipe it off and do the same thing for the outside. We're gonna see the results. All right, I just got done, and look at this. Oh my goodness. That's my eaves there, those little spider webs and stuff. I gotta get that off, but that's not the glass. Now double pane is not, sometimes gets dirty inside, and it has a couple of marks inside of it. I don't know why they do that with double pane. You know, they should use just like a hurricane glass. Those windows are killer, the hurricane ones are. But anyway, this thing is like super clean. You could watch this video and play Kenny G music. It is so beautiful. Look at that. It's super duper 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 clean. Look at that. It's transparent. And I probably won't have to touch this for about 3 or 4 months. Let's move on. All I can say is, wow. All right. I don't know what my grandkids doing here, but it's just all kinds of wrong. They really get in here and do strange things in this bathroom. And I'm gonna clean it now. We're gonna get all this stuff off with the bug remover. Let's do it. Okay, just like the window, just gonna spray it on. This one I'm going to spray on thick with this toothpaste. Makes no sense to me. And then we're going to wipe it off and make it look beautiful. Okay, this is after I got the all kinds of wrong off of there, and it looks all kind of right now. And it's water resistant too. It'll spot up. Look at this. The water will just start flaking off. It's awesome. You can't beat this stuff. Wow. Okay, but what about shower glass? Well, here I'm in the shower for the guest, and this thing looks really good. I did this thing before Christmas, and we had guests over that finally just left yesterday, which was, gosh, in January here, and this thing looks immaculate, and they did not clean this at all, and I just came in here to check it, and you can tell this thing looks great, but I'm gonna give it another new coat. Would be good to go when they come back again. So I tell you what, folks, I put it in a spray bottle. It's Rain-X, it's bug remover. All I can say is wow, and it works for me. So good luck and God bless. Oh, and also when I applied this before they came in Christmas time, this had spots and scale all over it. It took it right off. So once again, good luck and God bless, and works for me.